Hi, boys and girls. Today's math lesson is lesson 6.2, and we're working on addition again. So we're representing addition as adding 2. So with our lesson, we'll be able to represent addition as adding to a number. All right? Let's begin. Turn this up here just a little bit so you can hear it. All right, listen carefully to our solve and share.
Daniel sees 2 boats on the water. Then 2 more boats go out on the water. Use red and blue cubes to show how many boats are in each group. How many boats are there in all? Think about the problem. Use your cubes or draw a picture to show how you know.
All right, so Daniel sees 2 boats in the water. All right, and then 2 more boats. So first of all, we're going to make 2 boats because Daniel first saw 2 boats. So I'm going to get, I think these are the cubes that I have to use. I'm going to have 2 blue cubes. All right, this is 2 boats in the water, okay? And then Daniel saw 2 more. So first he saw 2, and then he saw 2 more. And now we want to know how many boats did he see in all? How many did he see all together? So we need to count all of them. So when we count all of them, to remind us that, I like to circle them all so we don't forget any. All right, let's count how many boats Daniel saw. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did he see? 4. Let's write the number 4 down here. Little line, big line down. Fabulous. All right, let's turn to our video. Listen carefully.
What joining story can you make up about the boats? One story could be that you saw 1 boat on the ocean. Then you saw 2 other boats on the ocean. How many boats were there altogether? Let's find out. You can show each boat with a cube. How can you use the cubes to find out how many boats there are altogether? You can connect the cubes to join the groups. Now, let's see how you can write your drawing as a sentence. 1 and 2 is 3. What does this sentence tell? It tells how many boats there are altogether when you join the groups. How many boats are there altogether when you join 1 and 2? There are 3 boats altogether. You have learned how to join 2 groups to find how many there are altogether and write numbers that tell how many in each group and how many altogether.
Wonderful job. All right, let's take a look at our guided practice. So basically, we're joining groups, all right? So first of all, let's take a look. This first number 1 is about boats. First, we see 1 boat. Then we see how many boats? 1, 2, 3. Now, how many boats do we see all together? So when I say all together, that means everybody's, all the boats. So I'm going to circle all the boats. And then we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are 4 all together. So first we saw how many? 1. And then we looked again, and how many more did we see? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to make a 3 here. And then when we saw, how many did we see all together? And then we just counted them all. Circled and counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So our sentence, our addition sentence is 1 and 3 is 4. All right, let's take a look at these sailboats. How many sailboats did we see first? 1, 2, 3. We first saw 3 sailboats. Then we looked again, and how many more did we see? 1, 2. All right. Now I want to know how many I saw all together. So we have to, we got to circle all the sailboats because I want to know how many we saw all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We saw 5 boats, sailboats all together. So our sentence would be 3 and 2 is 5. Great job. All right, let's take a look over here. All right, we're doing the same thing, boys and girls. Notice that there's 2 groups of boats in each spot. So we're going to look at the 2 groups and then we're going to add them all together. Okay, so first we see how many rowboats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see 5, whoops, I gotta get my pen over here. 5 rowboats, so I'm gonna get my pen and I'm gonna write 5 because that's how many I see in this one group. And now I'm gonna check over here how many I see over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So I have 4 in that other group. Now, how many did I see all together? I'm gonna circle them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wonderful. I'll make a 9. 5 and 4 is 9. Great job. Let's continue. All right, first of all, we have how many, maybe this is a speedboat. Let's count on this group. 1, 2, 3. We have 3. Now how many in this group? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put a 3 here. How many speedboats all together? Ooh, let's circle it. All right, we have to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Good job. All right, let's take a look at number 5. I think these are canoes. How many in this group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 canoes in this group. Now we're going to count this group over here. 1, 2. 2 in that group. Whoops, I'm going to erase that. It's hard to write with the computer sometimes. Okay, let's go back, get our pencil. Oh, maybe they're going to, and make a 2. Now I want to know how many canoes all together. So I'm going to circle them because I want them all. I got to count them all. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many all together? 8 canoes. So our sentence is 6 and 2 is 8. All right, let's take a look at number 6. We're looking at tugboats. Let's look at this group. How many tugboats are here? 1, 2, 3. 3. So let's make a 3 in this group. Now let's count how many tugboats are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tugboats in that group. Now I want to know how many tugboats all together. So I'm going to circle them. Then I don't forget to count all of them. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tugboats. Wow. So I'm going to make a 10. That's how many tugboats all together. So first I had 3 and 7 is 10 all together. Wonderful. You are in charge of your independent, and I'm just going to show you, okay? So you're first going to count, for number 7, you're going to count this group of fish, and then this group of fish, and then you're going to circle them and count them all together and put them here. Then you're going to 8. You're going to count these sailboats, then these sailboats, and then you're going to count them all together. Okay? You're going to count these blue sailboats and put that number here. Count these blue sailboats and put the number here. Then you're going to circle the whole thing and count them and put your answer here. Okay? Now this one is a little tricky. Okay? So you have 1. I'm going to help you with this one. You have 1 here. And your answer altogether is 3. So what number needs to be here? So you would see this one's 3. So what number do we need to put with this to make 3? So let's grab a couple. I'm just going to grab green ones so we can compare. So I have 1, but I need 3. Let's see how many more we need. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how many blue ones did I have to put on there to make 3? You got it. If I count them all, yep. But how many blue did I put in? So this is how many blue. So I had 1 green, and how many blue? 2. That equals 3. That's kind of a tough one, but because you're trying to move it, go backwards to find the answer. All right, boys and girls, what I'd like you to do, I'd like you to do your guided practice, take a picture and send it to me, and also your independent practice, and take a picture and send it to me. All right, this is kind of a fun worksheet. Addition is a lot of fun. We'll be doing that for a couple days, and then we'll work on some fun addition projects. So I'm excited to do these lessons with you. All right, if you have any questions, or if your parents have any questions, just have them message me. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.